Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's connect. Mobile to computer. Without data cable. Connect your mobile and computer same Wi-Fi network. Go to Play Store and download Explore. Now tap on Show icon and select FTP. Now tap on FTP and enable FTP sharing. You can also add username and password for authentication. If you want write access on data, disable read-only access. Access this FTP address to your computer. Now open this PC and type FTP address to access your mobile data. Congratulations! You have accessed your mobile data without data cable.